Hello friends, welcome! Today I'm going to show you how I make homemade berry purees. I decided to record a video to show you how I make. I buy frozen berries in my local grocery store. Right here in the video I'm showing you from Trader Joe's. And it's really convenient if you just need a little bit of the puree, for example for ganache in macarons. You need just a few simple tools to make homemade puree. You need a small saucepan, spatula, strainer, and a mixing bowl. Just look at these berries. This mix has blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Over medium heat, we need to cook these frozen berries in a saucepan, and this will take not more than 5 to 7 minutes, really. With the spatula, just keep mixing. We need all this juice from the berries. And I would recommend to use medium heat or low. And this is what I have after cooking just for 5 minutes. Then I turn off the heat. And I'm using mixing bowl and a strainer. And I'm gonna pour this hot mixture, this puree. And using spatula, I'm gonna remove the seeds from the puree because I don't like to use seeds, especially in the ganache. Just be very careful because mixture is hot. Keep mixing. And that's all. That's your homemade puree. Really not hard to make. If you like, you can use immersion blender and emulsify this. And I usually do that when I'm making strawberry purees because seeds are very small. But for something like this, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, there is no need to use immersion blender. Just remove seeds and you can use that puree. You can also freeze in a little bags or container and use when you need it, or you can use right away. It's already hot, so it's perfect to add to the chocolate. Homemade puree will save you a lot of money. Just look at this natural color. Just so beautiful. If you like this video, subscribe, hit like, and follow me for more recipes. Happy baking!